Okay, so I am in New York with Jenny Blake. We just had a wonderful dinner with some friends here. Jenny is a fellow LinkedIn Learning author and also the author of the book Pivot, which has done quite well, as far as I
Thank
understand.
you.
So you talk about how to help people determine what their next move is. So I'm sure someone watching this, they're going, I don't know what to do next. What advice would you briefly give them as a starting point?
The biggest mistake that most pivoters make is focusing on what's not working, what you don't want, and what you don't know. So even we're halfway through the year, as we look ahead to the next 6 months of the year, what does success look like? And most importantly, what's already working? So the
Yeah.
best pivots start from that foundation. Think like a basketball player. One foot stays planted. That's your stability, your foundation. It's your strengths, what energizes you most at work already. And your 1 year vision, that's really important. Don't worry what's success 5 years from now. Nobody can answer that these days.
Okay.
And then with that foundation of your plant foot, then your pivot foot is free to scan for passing options around the court if we stick with that
I like the
basketball player
basketball analogy. That's a lot of fun. So be sure to check out Jenny's course on LinkedIn Learning. I'm also going to link to your
Thank you.
profile on LinkedIn and perhaps your website on other social media sources.
Awesome.
Thanks so much for taking a moment.
Thank
sharing
you
that.
so much. It's great to be here. Thanks for watching.